Alright guys, so Richard's been working on this thing. He's changed some oil. He's changed out some fuel pipes and other things. And so now he's putting new diesel in it, and so we're gonna see if this thing runs. So wish us luck. Alright guys, so Richard is still working on the tractor, and now he's gonna hook up the mower deck. I think that's what you call it. And then we're gonna see about cutting some grass. There he finally goes.
Take us anywhere, to the tried and true. We will not be bound to the unknown. We are pioneers, we are seeking what no one has found. So let the compass in our hearts guide us so straight and true, onto the open roads, under a sky so blue. In the history books they'll write of how we had no fear. They will remember us for 1,000 years. Charging boldly forth like salmon in a stream. In a brave world we will find ourselves, seeing wonders that others have only dreamed. So let the compass in our hearts guide us so straight and true, onto the open roads, under a sky so blue. In the history books they'll write of how we had no fear. They will remember us for 1,000 years. Let the compass in our hearts guide us so straight and true, onto the open roads, under a sky so blue. In the history books they'll write of how we had no fear. They will remember us for 1,000 years.
That tractor is an old tractor. It gets older than my dad, so it does run a little slower, but it's getting the job done. don't ever want to hear Richard complaining about mowing the front yard. Compared to this, it's nothing. And so I timed him, and it's about 4 minutes and 30 seconds per round, minus of course the turnaround. So probably 5 minutes. Once it gets on that thing and he sees the progress, he doesn't want to stop. So as long as the rain holds